Bagarka atale center na mnonga omurembo Booma Mbarara kerea webale mnonga na mnonga ekyo kunywa wanja kukigamba ekyo kunywa kya kitusi mwabihurira mwekwate ekyo kunywa ekyo kerea ntonja kusima gumiza muno utereza na mnonga enshonga zitari muzemo ogwali narangira no mwamika wese Booma oguna rukure byokuteza akaruru abambara akaruuru twaturi mu kubanza twaturi muri Mbarara city no konka abo enshonga zikwatira no kushanga ngo ebyo centers ahi bateza akaruru waje akushanga ngo byaremwe abantu yarakomisa amasimu ezindi abe electoral commission barezi babine bazakushanda zazitakushanda zakuriya cyo bashaka mata barino babara akaruru kabacyara abana bacyara bana besimate ubwo no mwita Dr. Tango donareva yanareba umisho ubwo n'umucyara rw'ebyambu nareva yanareba umisho ubwo n'umucyara rw'ebyambu umucyara rw'ebyambu nabwo mu district nawe yasakwije umwanya ukongera kuganira na Dr. Tango dincheka arhenshonga zamra akwantumanyangu ogu ngakore biteza akaruro kwetorera ihanga lyone tubasima barabyaho na member of parliament wetu umwami honorable Mwinemba bakakarangirira ka South yes konkaka preliminary results nzoreka yarabaho overwhelming okay so ncho kurebera twino side yemo yonka ya honorable Mwinemba side nzotekoze kitero okay yontamburaje okay ebigambo nibyo hariho umwami gwa kwise files nyingi ntujatuganuka cye ebigambo bibiri bishatu a TV West amazina gawe uriyo no gendo mukoti no zankai tu live TV West kama yitu ni area just tugamira amazina gawe icyakureta umwanya ko tureba tugira shahi ni 5 iwe akarukurwa kashesha
Matias Atkunda one of the peers wa honorable Mpaka turiyaha ku atare center ya Mbarara State kureba ubururu wa honorable Mpaka uko ari no babara kandi icyo mushumuje no kugira ngo already have an early and a big one by them okay on percentage yitsingise twandikora kutonoza no shumi ganda ari nite tusingira kusingira ubururu bwingi na percentage okurigera ha twabara so singira kusingira ubururu bwingi na percentage okurigera ha twabara so congratulations official results ano ya atare center
amazina senyumo giriyo no kumira TV West nyunja kwisa turinkai turi atare center aho omurembo Mbarara omuntu yagamba honorable Mwinemba omwami ogwo ari omwanya ogwo nana agamba honorable Mwinemba ogwo nomwe omubebe mbezi na mnonga bali omuntu aba constituency egi honorable Mwinemba live activist na nishatu gambe bigambo bibiri bishatu otakufa wakamera wanje turaza kuzoku oturetere nyoka kuyizo wadi tuwija kama neza kushanga kama wanje neza kushanga kama wanje no kuja kukachari kamera wanje uri ajechi andera ma honorable kachi no just no gira mu kachi abo kamera iri bigambo bibiri bishatu sasiro kutahirira just bigambo bibiri bishatu tugambira kuruga kasheshi iwe mbere no gira mbote
wari kurugo mu kasheshi twatera akaruru tutwagira major incident ya violence uko ya mugyango ni city abantu babari bingiso okushoma registers chatwaro bwire ine nahanda ibatatera akaruru kongani nsima abantu bambara city twagira akaruru ko businyi kandi nsima na security umuntu mo kubakorana na NRM
ntumanyigisha abantu bekumira TV West baruni bafurebe kuje no mwanya abagizi bawe babino bagambira ki
bana abagizanye ni mbahumuriza ni basima munongo bare kunta mu wesiji
ogwe no honorable Mwinemba omwe mbebe mbezina mnonga bebe sindire Mbarara city twan tugamba city south habere sindire akaruru akabakarangira ntuguma yo ekikuwerindira TV West omanye Mbarara city na mnongo mu constituencies ibiri Jete south na north no haya singa nyunja kwisi yangu omunothi n'abantu batari bona bamwe eka twakire ari abo abarino batubarira namno tungamara kagabo tunje kureba ikigendo omumisho kankeze amaraka aga
chichocha bonus 34 na tuinda bonus 0 are we together When Gina Kenkombe, are we together? Kari. At Kwasa Baika 15, Chibazu Charite 83, Boni Chichonto Kashiga 34, na Tuinda Banis 2. is Remigina Ward, Remigina Central. Turkumwe? Okay. At Kwasa Rita 17, Natwina Vanis 2, Chichocha Bode 21, Chibazo Charity 81. Are we together? Nani ni Rukamunoga?
Nyonja kwisiwa ikumira TV West ogwe n'umwamika w'Isebo Marina Abarakaruru na Okubara akaruuru akantunja kureba haruna n'abantu baburije batari nabo bari no Abarakaruru hariho umwami wa Rusansa wazatuma ku wa NRM nyenda tuganire tu live TV West just yemere bwa bibiri bishatu tuganira TV West kama yitu ni area just amazina gawe na okurugaka akashesha akaruru ko wakashangota kana n'ubutumwa bwawe
amazina ganyenira kabakundeba ninye Geno Sansarajabu umuhagizi wa NRM kandi umuhagizi wa MK akarura akantu kareba ariho abantu kababukari baremera kugira baringa service kandi bari barwana kwese babantu ngambe amazibeshi ya ground kandi nda mugambere byatakoze so wanore barukarubagize buzere ariyo nenda kwiba karuru bashindwa dikereso forms narwana na ba register abo kwayengu bayanga mwibera so wanore uburemezi bwe twine nani nshabe bembezi bakorra abantu kandi NRM ni impango bari kugifura ngo NRM ngo nibashwarwa mu nshaho ningane na family yabo NRM ni kibina cy'abantu bona abo ka president 7 akataho obururu akwenda buri afuno bugabe kurundo mwebemzo awakwenda so hano reba bebemzo kureta abantu muhogo na nebikizo abantu bajya ngo tubachikwenda kandi ukatandika kutonga ari ndane kintu kibi
ogwe no wasanse ibine bitegati kube ubutunja kwirira kugamana n'abantu batari munamwe munonga anshonga ekwatina n'akaru ekambubiri bishatu umwabo cheka yati ne bya kamera konka tukonja kuganira n'abantu batari umwanya harimo abebemza abebemza rengorwa LC1 LC2 na munonga kandi binja bari aha babe ba agent babebemza batari bamwe twantugamba twinina n'ababa ONC n'aba bari ahansi ya Office of the National Chair abataba batari munamwe bona bo bari barebuza umurimo ogurino kugenda mu mishi inza konja kutunga n'abantu batari munamwe kuganira na munonga umurimo gwajina kangarire tutunge amaraka ago gabantu namunonga bakushoma
na Frida Vanis 8. This is Kachika Kachenche East. Are we together? Chichocha Bon Kashija 109 109 votes. Chibazo Charity Kamhanda 40 votes. At Kwasa Rita Waika 5 votes. Natwinda Vanis 5 votes. This is the Kachika Ward, Kachenche West. Chibazo Charity 36. Kachika Ward, Kachenche West. Chibazo Charity 36. Bone Chichoncho 26. At Kwasa Rita 17. Natwinda Vanis 2. This is Kachika Ward, Rowiyenje. Are we together? Are we at the same pace? Okay. Others are saying no, others are saying yes. Fine. At Kwasa Rita 95, Chichoncho Bone 115 votes, Chibazo Charity 56 votes, Natwinda Vanis 0. This is Kachika Nyachiziba village. At Kwasa Rita 67, Chichoncho Bone 111 votes, Chibazo Charity Kamhanda 81 votes, Natwinda Vanis 5 votes. Now, this is Milo Wagara. No, sorry. Take this one. This one has an issue.
That one had an issue.
So this is the Bunusia ward. Are we together? Bunusia ward, Akashenje. Rita Waika 14, Chichocha Bone Mutundi 67, Chaita Chibaju 48, Natwinda Venice 0. Now, this is Bunusia ward.
You can find out what happened. You also walk.
This is Bunusia ward, Kaburanjiri. At Kwasarita 7, Chichocha Bode 32, Chibazo Charity 49, Natwinda Venice 0. This is Bunusia Kagorogoro. Are we together? At Kwasarita 9 votes, Chichoncha Bone 115 votes, Chibazo Charity 116 votes. Natwinda Venice 0. This is the Bunusia ward, Ruchiri. Are we together? At Kwasarita 18, Bonich Chocho 39, Natwinda Venice 3, Chibazo Charity 45. Bunusia Chai. Bunusia ward, Chai village. Chibazo Charity Kamanda 69, Chichocho Bode Kashija 51, at Kwasarita Waika 8, Natwinda Venice 1. Bunusia village. At Kwasarita 29, Chichocho Bode 42, Chibazo Charity 67, Natwinda Venice 0. Are we together? Come again? Oh, sorry. Chibazo Charity 69. No, 69. 69. This is Bunusia Kitambwa at Kwasarita 7, Kashaija Bode 36, Chibazo Charity 078. This is 78 votes. Natwinda Venice 1. Nikwe? This is Kakoma Parish, Katebe village. Kakoma, Katebe village. Chibazo Charity Kamahanda 93, at Kwasarita Waika 40, Bonnet Choncho Kashija 30, Natwinda Venice 0. This is Kakoma. This is Kachika. This is Kakoma Parish, Kakoma village. Bonnet Choncho Kashija 35, at Kwasarita Waika 4, Chibazo Charity Kamanda 122 votes. 122. Natwinda Venice 4 votes. This is Kakoma Ward, Kepungu Sale. Are we together? Yes. Bone Chichoncho 30, Charity Chibaju 41, Rita Waika 14, Natwinda Vansi 0. Nikwe? Are we together? This is Kakoma Ward, Charwa Buganda. At Kwasa Vita 49, Chichoncho Boni 77, Naturinda Vanis 5, Chibazo Charity Kamhanda 39. Nikwe? This is Nyarubanga, Wenturagara. Nyarubanga is the ward, Wenturagara is the village. At Kwasa Vita 20, Chibazo Chichoncho Bone 15, Chibazo Charity 270. This is Booma Mbarara Stock Farm. At Kwasa Rita 35, Bone Chichoncho 11, Chibazo Charity Kamhanda 38, Natwinda Vanis 0. This is Nyarubanga Kafunjo 1. Rita Waika at Kwasa 9 votes. Chichoncho Boni 9 votes. Natwinda Vanis 1. Chibazo Charity 93. 93. Komorendish. Komorendish. This is Nyarubanga Kafunjo 2. At Kwasa Vita, are we together? 20. Chichoncho Boni 16. Chibazo Charity 17. Natwinda Vanis 0. This is Kamkuzi Ward, medical sale. Tukumisem? Are we together? Chibazo Charity Kamhanda 16, Kashisha Bone Chichoncho 11, Rita Waika at Kwasa 50, Natwinda Vanis 10. This is Kamkuzi Ward in Tare. Chibazo Charity 51, at Kwasa Rita 20, Natwinda Vanis 7, Bone Chichoncho 19. Hello. Kamkuzi Ward, Kamkuzi Village. Chibazo Charity Kamhanda 62, Bone K Kashaija M 61, at Kwasa Rita B 30, Natwinda Vanis 5. This is Kamkuzi Ward, Kamkuzi. Chibazo Kamhanda 62, Kamkuzi Ward, village Kamkuzi. The next one. This is Kamkuzi Parish Kacheka. Bone Chichoncho 129. Charity Chibaju 95. Natwinde Vanis 5. At Kwasarita 22. How come it is here? This is Kamukuzi, Biafra. Biafra. Chibazo Charity 52. Natwinde Vanisi 27. Bonnet Choncho 88. At Kwasarita 16. This is Kamukuzi, Kashanyarazi. Chibazo Charity Kamhanda 791. Are we together? There's a complaint. Chibazo Charity Kamhanda 791. Chichoncho Doctor. Kashanyaraze. So what happened here? Can I have the other forms for all the candidates? No, we had 4 candidates, isn't it? 4 candidates. So I expect 4 agents to have 4 DRA forms. Can I have those 4 DRA forms?
The form was snagged from our agent and taken away, but we had already taken a picture.
Mr. Registrar Kashanyarazi, actually my agent was chased and the form was not given, it was denied.
Let doctor address this form.
You people, you want to waste time in Katemba here. The same story that the same area, it was grabbed and someone ran away with it. Why was there chaos? Charity, where is Charity? You got 790. You have no DRA form. So you are the owner of 791, but you don't have the DRA form.
Avonugomani obo radio wese kwe mukire emyaka 26 ombuhereza tukutebekanisize embaga y'omwaka eyekiriro mirakongere ebirabira mukaga byo kwa mushanzo oku omucyeka cyeka Mbarara City otaferwa izoba ryona rizwira amashemererwa n'abeshogozi b'amani nka David Rutaro, Alien Skid, Shakira, Betty Porogoma, Kazibwe Kapo, Freddy Seremba, Jose, Sister Charity, Bisham Kongwire, n'abandi bindi. Rero kugashurako otebwa rushenda abokuba naza kuba roshozo rw'enyama obo turi kusimbiwa muhurikiza otkozera kituri radio rwebembere zindi haro kusingura ebihembo nyamwingi okutamu nshinjo mutwaro gumwe izo mukiniro mirakongere osibe no shayaya n'abahereza ba Radio West bishagikirwe.
Can we read this one? Kamukuzi ward in Kamukuzi village. Are you there now? It was read. Let us prove that it was read by me reading and you cross-checking. Kibaju Charity 62, Boni Kasaja 61, Atukwasa Rita 30, and Naturinda 5. Next. Kamukuzi ward, Booma. Kichoncho 68, Rita 54, Naturinda 1, Chibaju Charity 23. Kamukuzi ward, Kachika. Are we there? Kasaja Boni 119, Chibaju Charity 37, Atukwase Rita 34, Naturinda 10. Next. Ruharo ward, Nkokonjeru village. Naturinda Venice 4, Chibaju Charity 182, Atukwase Rita 21, Bone Kichoncho 210. Next. Ruharo ward, Mbaguta cell. Chibaju Charity Kamuhanda 26, Naturinda Venice 2, Kashaja Boni 53, Rita Bwahika 69. Next. Ruharo ward, Mbarara High School. Boni Kichoncho 51, Naturinda Venice 6, Rita Bwanika 28, and Chibaju Charity 23. Next. Ruharo ward, Ruizi cell. Kichoncho Kashaija 20, Rita 15, Chibaju Charity 138, Naturinda Venice 1. Next is Ruharo ward, Kiyanja cell. Chibaju Charity 159, Rita 17, Venice 6, Boni 28. Next. Which one? That one? Bring that one. Yes.
Thank you, Doctor. I have a complaint on Chianja. My agent was actually not allowed to sign, and they threw the paper to my agent. Not even the...
Your agent is called OSCJ somewhere, according to this.
Yes, because according to what I have, it was not signed, neither did the registrar sign.
That one is for a petition.
Okay.
That issue of whatever is if you go, I'm not saying you have lost, I'm not saying you won, but I'm saying those are kind of things used for petitions. And there should be proof that that person was chased. And
yes.
there must be affidavits of people who saw it, this and the other.
Okay.
It's a deep case.
I actually have 14 of them.
Thank you. So that is not for this court. This is, you petition it through them too. Next. Ladies and gentlemen, anything like Honorable Rita has said, my agents were beaten, my agents were chased, my agents were done this, the policeman came and grabbed this, those are all grounds for petition. Now, you cannot, like I was telling one candidate behind here, you cannot petition unless a result is announced. And the rules of election results must be announced within 48 hours. I was saying Kamukuzi Ward, Rebicona, Chibaju Charity 45, Kichoncho 92, Naturinda Venice 1, Atukwasa Rita 3. Yes, Ire. Good evening. How is Tesson?
Avon Gomani, over radio wese kwe mchemia kabina mkaga, ombuhereza, tukutebekarisize embaga yo mwaka, yechini yo miranku onjere, ebirabira mkaga byo kwa mushanzoku, omuchaika cheka Mbarara City, otafe wizo baryona, rizwira mashemererwa, nabeshongozi vamani, ka David Rutaro, Alien Skin, Shakira, Betty Porogoma, Kazibwe Kapo, Freddy Senemba, Jose, Sister Charity, Bisham Kongwire, Nabandi Bindi, Yero Kugashurako, Ote Worshenda, Abokuba, Nazaku kwa roshozo rw'enyama obo turi kusimiwa muhurikiza otkozera kituri radio rwebembere zindi haro kusingura ebihembo nyamwingi okutamu nshinjo mutwaro gumwe izo mukiniro mirankongere osibe no shayaya n'abahereza ba Radio West bishagikirwe.
Abakampala bijire ekyo ni kirungi litwe tuliyo ntwije
banywani noho ine chenjeji
anko no basokozesa esimu yawe
twine momo
ruga mwani wirunda chenji
webere munonga se
nanye bambe nasimu bitzo nzinga
neshatu necweka ego sebo
wanga wanje bishikano shwa sente zampo
konga anko no basa kuziha simu yawe
ubiza muzane bisimu byabo oba tuyeme mwe mwebale kutebekanisa inyo mukure anaruha kurugo mukasheshe ndio mukushopinga Juma ijo yambe mutaye wa muhebe inta motoka muri muta
anko no chibona kale no basa kusita simu yawe okole sente
bantu mwebale kuyisha mwanyereka rukundo nambwenu nashimirwa kubaleba
nito twasima
empomba bazicyara hawo mukaka mwongere ha ruhombo nakunda munongo ruhombo rw'ibinyobwa
kandi tekando
iwe to kwetaga kutambura iwe nayo okustama
hatu tuguma mwiruma
shrenkazi cyo hirwe oine gumisiriza
Welcome to Africa's Sunday Best. We're serving a feast of your favorites. Start with the bold drama of Kampala Creme.
What?
Followed by the sparkling flair of Home of Our Stars.
Grab a front row seat.
Next, a generous helping of talent in Nigerian Idol.
You don't want to miss this.
And close with the bold flavor of Shaga Ilembe. Africa's Sunday Best, served from 8 p.m. every Sunday. Enjoy it all by staying connected to DSTV and GoTV Uganda.
Abakampala bijire ekyo ni kirungi litwe tuliyo ntwije
banywani noho ine chenjeji
anko no basokozesa esimu yawe
twine momo
ruga mwani wirunda chenji
webere munonga se
nanye bambe nasimu bitzo nzinga
neshatu necweka ego sebo
wanga wanje bishikano shwa sente zampo
konga anko no basa kuziha simu
ubiza
yawe
muzane bisimu byabo oba tuyeme mwe mwebale kutebekanisa inyo mukure anaruha kurugo mukasheshe ndio mukushopinga Juma ijo yambe mutaye wa muhebe inta motoka muri muta
anko no chibona kale no basa kusita simu yawe okole sente
bantu mwebale kuyisha mwanyereka rukundo nambwenu nashimirwa kubaleba
nito twasima
empomba bazicyara hawo mukaka mwongere ha ruhombo nakunda munongo ruhombo rw'ibinyobwa
kandi tekanda
iwe tokwetaga kutambura iwe nayo okusitama
hati tuguma mwiruma
shwenkazi cyo hirwe oine gumisiriza
buri mwaka mwana no
avon gomani obo radio wese kwe mu myaka 26 ombuhereza tukutebekanisize embaga y'omwaka eyekiriro mirakongere
muri bulungi obanga muri bubi tuli bulungi abakazi batubye muri reje ninga marire kubi shukrani msindi kwa msantebiro abuna mukagenza kwa ndio mchayi kacheka omukinihiro mira nkongere okutangurira guri omuto gumegonka mwije mwena tutere vibes on vibes. You know what it is? Bim!
Yekire kirihiro nakongere abuna mukaga opejo ko kwa mushanju wataferwe tongo Tiga besonga ziringi abesonga bali omukinihiro etongo ziryaho etongo kumine abina mukaga etongo abina mukaga abesonga abina mukaga otaferwe kinihiro bimira kongere nokumira wacha
izo mukiniro mirakongere osibe no shayaya n'abahereza ba Radio West bishagikirwe
Booma Mbarara.
This function is about looking back at the past, enjoying the present, and looking to the future. Most important, however, is to celebrate the success story of this school, of Chinon High School, since its inception, opened in 2000.
Chinon High School, out of the 4,000 plus schools in the whole country, was the 79th. And that we don't take for granted.
I have heard how they have excelled both in the academics, in sports, especially ladies, girls. Thank you. Clap for yourselves. I hear you are at the national level in sports.
Otaferwa.
Abataka nani ntekateka mazima tukore hakajenyi kake katakutuhenda kandi akajenyako katabura mamarwa niwe naza kubahereze nko kwishatu eziraribwa abagenyi
umushango gwe nkoko ezuwa n'ibire
nangwa muzi
reka ndete yebitoki nk'ikumi n'esano yinkwa abataka mu nkwate
amakaga kanga
kandi nenye no mangu baro bampa mukazi kandi wabusha
ushobangirirwa shi
agarhanga omukazi wabusha ataro nkoko ataro mbuzi ataro honde utagira umuntu wono wagambira ikintu kinangwa kumanyisa bunye nakugambira nakweshengereza aba nakerebera icyo tingakikora kasha kirakuyotenda omakaga ngendo ronda musanga
Kata wirangoko
love you, sweetheart. Shovanjirirwe. I love you.
Booma Mbarara.
buli mwaka mwana no
avon gomani obo radio wese kwe mu myaka 26 ombuhereza tukutebekanisize embaga y'omwaka ey'ekiniro mirankwongere
bim muri bulungi obanga muri bubi tuli bulungi abakazi batubye muri reje ninga mwarire kubi bim shukrani msindi okoma Santebiro Abdulhamukanga nza kwa ndio mchayi kacheka omukinihiro mirankwongere okutangulira guri omuto gumwe gonka mwije mwena tutere vibes on vibes. You know what it is? Bim!
Yekine Chirihiro, Nakojere, and Ramukaga, or Pedro Kwamushanju, what a favorite Tongo! I want to go to the Shoga Zinji, and the Shoga Chirihiro, and Togo Ziyaho, and Togo Ziyaho, and Togo Kumine, and Namukaga, and Togo Namukaga, and the Shoga Namukaga, what a favorite Chirihiro, with the Nakojere, no Kumina.
Izomu chiniro mirankwongere osibe no shayaya n'abahereza ba Radio West bishagikirwe
Booma Mbarara.
This function is about looking back at the past, enjoying the present, and looking to the future. Most important, however, is to celebrate the success story of this school, of Chinon High School, since its inception, opened in 2000.
Chinon High School, out of the 4,000 plus schools in the whole country, was the 79th. And that we don't take for granted.
I have heard how they have excelled both in the academics, in sports, especially ladies, girls. Thank you. Clap for yourselves. I hear you are at the national level in sports.
buli mwaka mwana no
avon gomani obo radio wese kwe mu myaka 26 ombuhereza tukutebekanisize embaga y'omwaka ey'ekiniro mirankwongere ebirabira mukaga byo kwa mushanjoku omucyayikacheka Mbarara City otaferwa izoba ryona rizwira amashemererwa n'abeshongozi b'amani nka David Rutaro, Alien Skin, Shakira, Betty Porogoma, Kazibwe Kapo, Freddy Seremba, Jose, Sister Charity, Bisham Kongwire, n'abandi bindi. Rero kugashurako otebwa urushenda abokuba naza kuba roshoza urwenyama obo turi kusimiwa muhurikiza otkozera kituri radio rwebembere zindi haro kusingura ebihembo nyamwingi okutamu nshinjo mutwaro gumwe izo mukiniro mirankwongere osibe no shayaya n'abahereza ba radio